Hi, Charlie. Okay, so you're adorable. I enjoy watching your videos. You are hilarious. And yeah, I usually find nothing wrong with them, but your southern accent, it kills me. It absolutely just kills me. It's hilarious. It really, truly is. But I feel bad that that's what you go for when you try to speak American, and it's not right. it's it's an overly exaggerated version of it. So I'm wondering, where you're picking it up and everything. So, yeah. Um, but I am from the South. I'm from Virginia. I've lived in the South my entire life. And this is what someone from the South sounds like. So, I don't know if this is what you were expecting or not. I mean, but yeah. Good night.